Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Something like this you'll probably never draw, but you might learn a few tools along the way. We're going to use the polygon tool set on three-sided. And then I'm going to take the shape tool and grab this center one, and see, it doesn't have to be perfect. It could be a little bit offset. I want it a little bit more narrow. See, perfect would be these would join kind of in the middle, but this way they're kind of offset. So if you look, Corel thinks that's the center with that X is. I'm going to move that X more to that center, and I'm going to spin it around. And then I'm going to go ahead and weld it. And they got a little star. Now, at this time, you could make it different by making some of them longer or whatever you want to do to make it look like that. We're actually going to take the whole thing and rotate it like 22.5 degrees to kind of get an open spot there. I'm going to take a 2-point line, and don't worry about, being in the middle. I'm going to get from see, it's hard to snap to the center. Whoop. So I'm going to take the shape tool, and it really doesn't have to be in the center, but I'm going to get it closer to the center. I'm going to take it with the pick tool. I'm going to make it something thicker than a hairline. I'm going to go to object, convert the outline to an object, and I'm going to left click, right click. And then I can make this thing pointed, much like the other one. So I can just take these nodes and just kind of bring them in. Now I'd go ahead and smart fill it. Well, we need to weld it again. I'm going to take this, I'm going to weld it again, and I'm going to use that same red. Well, you know what? You don't have to do that. All you have to do is go over here and make it red. I'd go ahead and take away the outline. My leading edge isn't really big enough, so I can take this, hold down the control button, and that way I can move it. But I think I like that. I think I've got one of these, maybe some of these too long. Now, we don't have to do anything to it because it's all welded together, but I am going to make it smaller. And then I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page, and then I'm going to move it up. But I do want to rotate from the center of the page. So what I want to do now, I'm going to Control D, Alternate C, and I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees or whatever you want to do. Now I'd go ahead and group these. Well, let's make a duplicate of that, move it over. Let's go ahead and group this together, Control G. That way we can make it a little different later. Now I'm going to make this one smaller by holding down the Shift key, and I'm going to rotate it, Control Alternate C. Well, that's not the center. There we go. And I'm going to rotate it about there. Now I'm going to make this one yellow. You can barely see it because the black. Let me go ahead and put the black background on it. And that's probably the best way. Then that way you can go, well, that's a little bit too small. So you could grab it and make it a little bit larger, and then maybe even bring it in a little bit more. Now we want to, that line's really thin, but that's fine. So now I'm going to Control D to make a duplicate, Alternate C. We've already got this number, so I'm going to hit plus 45 degrees. Well, 90 degrees, sorry. Well, I didn't. So Control D, Alternate C, plus 90 degrees. Isn't that weird? You know what? Let's just do it by hand because it doesn't have to be perfect. So it's like 22.5 degrees. And then Control D all the way around. And you could, so they're not perfect, but do you want it perfect? But you could always, with the pick tool, go ahead and it's still going to rotate from the center. You could change these by just double clicking. I think it might look best. And then what's kind of cool about this, you could go ahead and grab it, Control G, holding down the Shift key, and, well, I made a box. Let me move this out of the way for a second. I grouped it together, that's what's wrong. Go up to Object Group and Ungroup, and let's just get the star. Since I'm not getting all the black, it'll group together, and then I can make it. by holding down the shift key. And let's go and make it, well, we don't want to make our black box smoother, smaller. That's pretty cool. And you know, your talent, you could change everything, make it your own. You know, you could put singular stars out on the edges without the tails. Anyway, maybe that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.